right, let me just walk through one of the quiz problems on the free Alpha site online. This is the easiest math software out there, and they have a free version online that you can use. All you have to do is type in what you want to do. So you can say derivative or D. It will do calculus for you. It'll integrate things for you. You can't get the step-by-step solutions without paying, but you can get the answer, and that's all we need here. Get a Word document and just copy and paste these equations into Word, and then you won't have to retype them, so it will graph things for you. This is the first question in quiz 11.1. We're finding the total distance traveled from 0 to 6 and given an equation. To answer this, we're going to graph both the position and the velocity. So that's that derivative we calculated earlier. And you can just copy and paste those equations back and forth so you don't have to retype them. And the position is at a max or a min where the velocity goes to 0. So we're going to solve for the times where we're turning around. And those times are going to let us calculate the distances that are traveled. So we've got kind of 3 different segments here you can see. The times that the position turns around are 1 and 5 seconds. Plotting that into our position equation, you can see the position gets all the way up to 14/3 and then all the way back down to -50/3. The endpoint for this was 6 seconds, so that's the last point to plug in. So that's where we end up at 6 seconds. Then just add all those turnaround points together to get the distance through the entire journey. The only disadvantage here is you only have one line for the free version, so keep an open Word file that you can copy and paste information and results into. Use the snipping tool, and then it will do everything that the version you have to pay for will do. So try out just the free website version and see if that'll work for you. Here's another resource. Now this one only does derivatives, but it does derivatives and it graphs it out and it shows steps, it simplifies problems. You can plug in numbers and it will tell you what your function is at a time equals 1. So that's another really nice free website you can use. The sister site is integralcalculator.com, just integral/calculator.com. And here's another one. This is Symbolab. It's also free and online and graphs things out. So there's quite a wide variety of free math software that you can use online. If you find another good resource, post it in the D2L forums. And don't try and learn anything complicated. If you don't already know MATLAB or Octave, and that would be having to learn a programming language to do this stuff, don't do that. The point of all of this is that this is not a math class. It's dynamic. So I don't want you fighting with math through it. So find something that will do the math for you simply and easily. Hope that helps you out, and really don't stress about the math. This isn't a math class. We'll see you in D2L.